What's up, YouTube? Cap here, Welsh Creative. Welcome back. It is June 9th, 2026. Hope you're all doing well. Lots of stuff happening, you know. I don't know if any of you watch or, follow my YouTube channel, but there's something new coming from Welsh Creative. It's called Cap Talk. And currently, I just edited the first episode of Cap Talk, and should be appearing in your YouTube feed here this evening. I don't know if this will actually make it tonight, but anyway, either way, fucking check it out. There may or may not be AI involved. I don't know. There may be. I don't know. There may be some AI trickery in the video, but anyway, pretty good content. It's yes, it's AI, but the principles and the ideas are the same. The first episode talks about design. Well, I don't want to be cliche, but design in the wild, which I think that might be the prompt to my YouTube video. But the idea is you know, influencers are, you know, in the wild, and they're like capturing content. And you know, when you're in the wilderness, you should be fucking present. Like, check it out. Like, I don't know, there's fucking roaring rapids, or there's fucking birds and fucking deer and shit. You should probably put your phone down and check it out. But that's kind of the idea. I mean, there's like font names and fucking street or trail names and shit in there, but the idea of the podcast was to obviously correlate design with that of the influencer that is out there doing their shit, you know, but also like take the time to put your shit down and absorb and what you're in, you know, like you're out in the middle of fucking nowhere. Enjoy it. Put your phone down. But when you are capturing moments, there is an aspect of design involved there. So yeah, that's kind of what that podcast is about. I have an upcoming podcast with a Instagram influencer. Her name is Olivia, and she'll be joining us probably, maybe not next week, but the week after. I'll be out of town next week, but we'll see what happens. I may put something up. We'll see. I may have my laptop, and I may be able to get something together. But what's next? Oh, the Big Bertha printer. I installed the new print head today, and so it accepted it, which is fucking awesome news. And so the next job is to fix the paper problem. It's not accepting paper. Well, it hadn't last time I checked. So I would imagine that's the same problem that's going to happen now. But anyway, yeah, this is going to be just quick, super quick. I just wanted to get on here and kind of introduce the video that's coming that you're probably going to see before this one. But yeah, man. Hope we all are well, and you know that kind of shit. What else? I don't have a whole lot of shit other than gas prices are slowly dropping. I think that was a topic last week, or whenever I posted a video last. Um, World Cup's coming up. That's pretty cool. Um, yeah, man. So yeah, let's end this quickly. I don't want to take too much of your time, but I did want to come up on here and talk about that podcast you're gonna see coming from Welsh Creative, Cap Talk, and yeah. So and hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe that video that's coming up. Um, there's gonna be tons of content. I don't even know what to talk about. So if you have ideas on what I could podcast about, that would be extremely helpful. The first one was kind of a no-brainer for me, just because when am hiking, that's the first thing that I think about is like all these Instagrammers are out there like taking content or taking pictures of content, and they're like not really enjoying what's going on, out there. So that was kind of a no-brainer for me. But if you can think of a topic that is maybe even like driving you crazy, or like something to talk about that I could put on here, that'd be great. Because I have a podcast schedule with Olivia here next week, and I'd like to have something to talk about. That'd be great. All right, people. Cap, take us out. Peace.